What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have clicked into TonyaNicole's bomb ass unboxing world. Today we have on the platter Glossy Box, as you saw from the title. So if you guys want to see what's in my October's Glossy Box, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, as I told you guys in the intro, and welcome, guys. Today, we're going to be doing a quick Glossy Box unboxing. I'm very excited to get this subscription and see what we have inside. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. I did not post on Monday. Sorry, guys. Thank you all so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you tremendously. Y'all, I thought I was going to have to evacuate again. We're still on the fence with this storm beta, but fingers crossed, I do not have to evacuate. Y'all, I don't want to. Trust me. I do not have a drink today, guys. So y'all take a dance break and a drink break without me. Sorry. Now, guys, let's get into the specs and unbox this baby. For everyone who is not sure about Glossy Box, this one is a $21 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 deluxe size with the occasional full size product, sample size products in here, guys. If you use the code Tonya, you will get some money off your first box. I think you'll get enough to get your box at like 16 bucks for the first one. So y'all need to, use that code, boo. So yes, guys, without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. I missed y'all. All right, so when we open it up, the first thing on top that I see is this Bright Cellars wine card right here. Just in case y'all want to get some wine, you can get $50 off your first box right there. And oh, okay, y'all, look at the box. Let me take it out. So this is this month's box, and I am totally loving it. It says Enchanted Spirit, the Beauty Tales. It is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see all of the detail on this box. If you can't, I am so sorry, but let's see. It is gorgeous. I love it. Oh, and it's my favorite color, purple, boo. Let's take the top off. Oh, look at the inside. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Now, okay, I must say the packaging for this month is gorgeous. Glossy Box always have amazing packaging, and this month did not disappoint. I am loving it. Purple bow. Let's pull this baby open. Oh, I love it. Do get a card each month that gives us all of our products on the inside with the price. So y'all know I'm gonna be going through that. And let's pull off this beautiful bronzy colored paper. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got. First up on top is from Earth Harbor, and I love Earth Harbor. And this is called Aurora, and this is the Superfood Luminous Ampule, Sea Greens and Cannabis Sativa Hemp. You get 1 fluid ounce of product. That's what it looks like right there, guys. And this is plant-based, cruelty-free, vegan, sustainable, no gluten. It's small batch made, and this is woman-owned. This is full of sea greens, cannabis, sativa hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminous and say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritant. And let's see, this is a full-size product. And I know Earth Harbor is a little pricey. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That is beautiful. And if I did not say it, you do get 1 fluid ounce of product. And this is basically a facial oil, guys, which I do love those. We have been getting oils a lot in subscriptions, but I do love Earth Harbor. And this, guys, retails for 32 bucks. I have been super congested lately, so I'm gonna see if I can smell something. I don't really smell too much, which is good for me. But y'all, I've been like really congested, so ugh. But anywho, guys, this one is full size and it's $32. Next up, guys, this is from Generation Clay, and this is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and that is what it is looking like right there, loves. And this is the deluxe size, guys, and you do get 50 milliliters of product. Now, I did receive this, I think, in a FabFitFun starter box, the full size, and I did use this, I think, a couple times, and I ended up gifting it to my sister. But I really did like this product, so I will use this one. And this one just says, apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. And then you're going to use water to gently rinse off the mask in a circular motion, then lightly patting your skin. And let's see if it has a seal, guys. It does have a safety seal. I will not open this, but I am very excited about receiving a clay mask. And this, like I said, guys, is the deluxe size, and it retails for $14.44. The full size retails for $21.50. Okay, cool. Next up, my loves, is a makeup product. Now, we really don't see a lot of makeup products in GLOSSYBOX, but I am happy that they included one this month. And this is from KVD Vegan Beauty, formerly known as Kat Von D. And this is the Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in the shade Love Craft. And this is the deluxe mini. This is the shade right here. I will not swatch this because I know I probably will not use this shade, but I mean, it is pretty, and I am glad that they gave us a makeup product. And for this size right here, let's see. Okay, the deluxe mini is worth $14. Whoa. And the full size is $20. So let me see how much they have in here for the deluxe mini. That's it right there. Okay. So, all right, I'm happy we got a makeup product. Next up is another makeup product, y'all. Okay, and this time we got from Ciate London. This is their translucent powder right there. Now, I have received this in a BoxyCharm, and I actually really love Ciate London's powders. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in a giveaway yet or keep it. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. In here, you do get, let's see, 7 grams of product. Let me open it. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like, y'all. This is such cute little packaging. And like I said, you get 7 grams of product. When you open it up, it is sealed up. I'm not going to open this because I will indeed put this in a giveaway for one of you guys. So I am happy that they put a translucent setting powder in their box. Okay, 2 makeup products, GLOSSYBOX. All right, this is starting to be one of my favorite months from GLOSSYBOX. And this, guys, I told you all, was a deluxe mini. It retails for $18.98, and the full size is $22. And last up in the box, guys, we have this sheet mask right here. This is from Ona, New York. It's Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. And that is what it looks like right here, guys. And it says you're basically going to cleanse your face as usual. Open and unfold the protective backings. You're going to apply it to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes or more if you desire. Remove the mask and massage the remaining serum into your skin. I could not get that off. It's no need to rinse, and you do get 1 sheet mask in here, guys. And this is a full-size product, and it retails for $9. Okay, my love. So this was the final product in this month's GLOSSYBOX. I'm looking at the front, and it seems that you could have gotten the Enchanted Spirit box, which is the one that I received, the light purple one, or the Midnight Fantasy, which is this dark blue, navy blue one here. Okay. Okay, let's do a quick recap. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received from Earth Harbor this facial oil right here. From KVD Beauty, this lipstick right here. From Generation Clay, this brightening purple mask. From Ciate London, this translucent powder. From Ona, New York, this Radiant Glow Gel Mask. These 5 products here. Final thoughts on this month's box was I thought that for the most part, it was a pretty decent box. I do like the fact that they gave us a combination of skincare as well as makeup this time. That makes me very happy. They did give us 2 face masks, which I wish they would have substituted one of the products instead of either this or I guess it's this gel mask. So I guess technically it's not the same thing, but I would have liked maybe a different product if we already have a face mask. But overall, I did enjoy the products in this box. So I am pleasantly pleased with my box this month. I do hear in the grapevine somewhere that they have an advent calendar that's coming out this year. I think it's dropping soon, and I think I may be receiving the advent calendar. We shall see, guys. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in Enchanted Woods, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give GLOSSYBOX for the month of October a solid 3.5. I love the packaging. The box is gorgeous. And I do love that they gave us more of a variety of makeup as well as skincare this month. So I am very happy with that. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what's your thoughts on this box. Let me know if you think the value is worth it. $21 a month. But remember, if you use the code Tonya, you can get your first box for $16, boo. So what you waiting for? So that's all that I have, guys. I will see you all on Friday for Freaky Friday, which I am looking so forward to. I also do have a new subscription. It's called the Naked Beauty Box, I think. We will be unboxing that one probably on Monday on the channel, and Friday will be Seductive Pleasures. So that's all that I have. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, guys, letting me know your thoughts on this box. I have missed you all so much. I will indeed try to catch up on my comments. It's a lot going on right now, guys, with this hurricane and me thinking I may have to evacuate. Oh, it's just a lot going on. So bear with me, guys. And I also am dealing with this congestion that's been going on for almost 2 weeks. I mean, it is ridiculous. I do have on these nice little Halloween nails this time. I love them. These are the Kiss nails, and I have been enjoying switching my nails up so often. And they have little spiders on them. Look, isn't it cute? I know. Anyway, that's all that I have, guys. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I will talk to you all soon. Love you all dearly. Bye, guys.